on from the inside also. So from the where we have to purchase the ticket from this for the Central Harbour and each and everything I will show you. So let's go and come with me.
So before going inside the station, we will see the history of CST station. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminals is a historic terminal station and a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and of course in India. The terminal was designed by British-born architectural engineer Frederick William Stephen. Its construction began in 1878 in a location of South Old Boribanda railway station, and construction was completed in 1887. In March 1996, the station name changed to Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal, and in 2017 it's remained renamed with Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminals. It is the busiest railway station in India, serving for long distance and the suburban train. The station building is designed with a high Victorian Gothic style of architecture with an Indian architecture. It constructed using a high level of engineering of railway with a civil engineering. It's one of the first and the finest product of the industrial technology. As far as the platform is concerned, the CSMT has a total 18 platforms. 7 platforms are for the suburban EMU train and 11 are for the long distance train, just like Rajdhani, Duronto, Garib Rath, Tejas Express, etc. Air-conditioned dormitories were also inaugurated at CSMT on 16th April 2013. The popular Indian Bollywood film Jai Ho, Slumdog Millionaire and Ravan are also showing the set of CSMT station in their films. The Slumdog Millionaire is also nominated for the Oscar. So let's go friends inside this station and check it out.
Friends, I came here inside the CST station and if you can see from behind, there are local trains over there. These are the Panvel trains for the harbour line, and these route are for the central route. Okay. And I will show you the from the where have to purchase the ticket. See from the behind, these are the ticket booking office, ticket ghar in Hindi it's called. The passengers are purchase the ticket over here. So many counters are there, and it's very huge and luxurious type station, if you can see. See over there, a board is there. Please check your ticket, pass and money before leaving the counter. So you have to alert of your belongings. See, there is a queue. The passengers are purchasing the ticket as per their requirement for the Central and Harbour. ATM is also there, so you'll withdraw the money as per your requirement. So guys, if you can see there, self-ticketing zone over here. You have to put your smart card and withdraw the ticket as per your requirement. For this also there is a TC. Railway passenger is there. As you can see, there is sanitizing route over here.